Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will see how to design a crankshaft by using the Solidworks tools. So friends, I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's see how to do it in Solidworks. Okay, let's start. So from here, choose front plane, go for normal and select sketch. Choose a circle and keep the dimension 76.20 millimeter. Okay, now from feature extruded boss and base and extruded it up to 27.31 millimeter. Okay, now select this face, make it normal and go for sketch. From here choose circle again and draw two circle like this way. Okay, now select smart dimension and keep the distance between two circle 12.70 millimeter and the diameter of this circle 88.90 millimeter. Okay, and keep the distance between these two circle 63.50. Okay, now from here choose line and select to tangent line. Again draw this side also. Okay, select this line, press Ctrl and this circle, make them tangent. Okay, again select this line and this circle, make them tangent. Okay, these two line also make them tangent and these two also. Okay, now from trim entities, trim these unnecessary lines. Now from feature choose extruded boss and extruded it up to 19 millimeter. Okay, now select this face, make it normal and go for sketch. Select circle. At first find out the center point and draw a circle here and keep the dimension from here 63 millimeter. Okay, now from feature choose extruded boss and extruded it up to 26.67 millimeter. Okay, now choose right plane, make it normal and go for sketch. From here select 3-point arc and draw here a 3-point arc. Choose smart dimension and keep the radius 169. Okay, now select line and close the area. Okay, from feature choose extruded cut and choose mid plane and cut through all. Select these contours. Okay, now see, now again choose right plane, make it normal and sketch. Choose 3-point arc here again and draw a 3-point arc here. Choose smart dimension and the distance between these two will be 5 millimeter and the radius will be 169 millimeter. Okay, now select line and close the area. Again from feature select extruded cut, choose here mid plane and through all. Okay, now select fillet and at first select these two. Okay, and fillet them up to 2.54 millimeter. Okay, now select fillet again, select this circle and this circle and fillet them up to 4 millimeter. Okay, now select mirror, choose this face and bodies to mirror, select this body, make sure that merge solids box is marked here. Okay, okay, now from evaluate select measure and select this face and this face and take this linear distance 145.96 millimeter. We need this length because we want to make linear patterns the whole body, so we need this length, so keep it in mind, 145.96 millimeter. Okay, now select reference geometry, select axis, now select this face. Okay, we got our axis here at the center point. Now increase it. Okay, now from feature go for linear patterns, select this axis as a direction, 3 number of patterns 145.96 millimeter. Automatically this distance is taken here, and now select bodies, now choose this body. Okay, take it in reverse direction, sorry, 3 number of patterns and take it reverse direction. Okay, now see, now from direct editing, from here choose move oblique copy bodies, select this box and choose this body. From here rotate about this axis and keep here 120 degree. Okay, again select move oblique copy bodies, select this body, rotate about, choose this axis and keep here minus 120 degree. Okay, now see, these three bodies are separate from each other, so we need to combine them. So at first hide the axis and from direct editing select here combine. Now bodies to combine, at first make sure that this add box is selected here, and bodies to combine select these all three bodies. Now show preview, now see these bodies are totally combined with each other now. Okay, so friends, this is our crankshaft. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe my channel to get more videos about SolidWorks design and project. I hope you will enjoy and you can learn lots of things from this channel. So please don't forget to hit like and share, and if you have any suggestions, so please put it on the comment box. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.